आपका नाम क्या है?
What's your name? What's your name?
मेरा नाम अभिषेक है और आपका?
My name is Abhishek and yours. My name is Abhishek and yours.
मेरा नाम अतुल है।
My name is Atul. My name is Atul.
आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा।
It's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you.
मुझे भी खुशी हुई।
It's nice to meet you too. It's nice to meet you too.
आप क्या करते हैं?
What do you do? What do you do?
मैं एक यूट्यूबर हूँ और आप?
I am a YouTuber and you. I am a YouTuber and you.
मैं एक शिक्षक हूँ।
I am a teacher. I am a teacher.
कहाँ रहते हैं आप?
Where do you live? Where do you live?
मैं दिल्ली में रहता हूँ।
I live in Delhi. I live in Delhi.
दिल्ली में कहाँ?
Where in Delhi? Where in Delhi?
मैं दिल्ली में जैतपुर में रहता हूँ और आप?
I live at Jatpur in Delhi and you. I live at Jatpur in Delhi and you.
मैं चांदनी चौक में रहता हूँ।
Live in Chandani Chowk. Live in Chandani Chowk.
आपके शौक क्या क्या है?
What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies?
मुझे क्रिकेट खेलना पसंद है।
Love playing cricket. Love playing cricket.
आपके पास कौन सा फोन है?
Which phone do you have? Which phone do you have?
मेरे पास आईफोन है।
Have an iPhone. Have an iPhone.
चलो ठीक है, फिर कल मिलते हैं।
Okay, let's meet tomorrow. Okay, let's meet tomorrow.
किससे बात कर रहे थे?
Whom were you talking to? Whom were you talking to?
मैं अपने दोस्त से बात कर रहा था।
I was talking to my friend. I was talking to my friend.
हम दोनों एक ही स्कूल में थे।
We went to school together. We went to school together.
चलो अब खाना खा लो।
Okay, come and eat now. Okay, come and eat now.
माँ, आप बहुत अच्छी हो।
Mom, you are the best. Mom, you are the best.
हाँ ठीक है, अब मस्का मत लगाओ।
Okay, all right now, don't butter me. Okay, all right now, don't butter me.
ये कितने का है?
How much is this? How much is this?
ये आपको 500 का पड़ेगा।
It will cost you 500. It will cost you 500.
आपको ये किसने बताया?
Who told you? Who told you?